Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Tingnan muna natin yung big picture. So weekly candle, nag-close ng green candle, forming inverted pin bar and below average yung volume. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. Kung makikita natin sa weekly time frame is forming ascending triangle. Nagkaroon tayo ng downtrend momentum as a retracement, but still this is a healthy retracement dahil hindi niya pa rin nababasag yung previous higher low natin as invalidation ng uptrend momentum. So what we expect sa ganitong scenario, kung magkakaroon tayo ng breakout sa trendline support natin, possible sign of weakness sa buyer's momentum, and the moment may sumalo, good news for buyer's momentum, and the moment na basagin niya naman yung resistance area natin, this is only a continuation ng uptrend momentum. We will always wait pa rin kung saan yung magiging breakout ng BTC, and we will always wait ng pullback for higher probability trade.